In Prep Test 69, game number 3, question 15 asks us, if I is assigned to space S1, which of the following could be true? So we're going to bring up our master diagram. Again, if you missed where we made this, check out the setup video for this question or for this game, or pause the video now, try to work through this setup on your own, and hit start or hit play when you're ready to begin. So if I is assigned to S1, we can go ahead and circle it here. If I is assigned there, then it can't be over here, meaning that H is in S4. This rule tells us that H must also be in J1. And so what do we have left? Down here in the snack row, F must go there. We've already assigned H up here. And G cannot go here, therefore this must be F or I. And what we have left are G, F, and I to arrange in some sort of floating order right here. The question's asking us which could be true, so let's see if we have enough information to answer this. Answer choice A, F is assigned to J2. Well, this certainly seems promising. If we place F in J2, we could place G in J3, and we could place I in J4. So that's looking pretty good right now. We're going to put a check mark next to it. What about H in J2? Nope, because H is already in J1. What about H in J3? Again, no, for the same reason. H is in J1. What about answer choice D, placing I in J1? We know we can't do that because H is in J1. And lastly, can H go in S2? Nope, because we know that F is in S2. So indeed, A is the only answer that could be true.